Okay, next question. Find the area enclosed between the curve y equals to x, x minus 1, x minus 2, and the x-axis. Okay, x minus 1, x minus 2, sorry, x minus 1, x minus 2, and the x-axis. So it's a cubic curve. Okay, certainly, because you have three x's there. Okay, x to the power of 3 when you multiply. So the limit is 0, that's 1, and that is 2. Okay, so this is the diagram given. Okay, now let's find the area. Okay, so to find the area along the x-axis and under the curve, it's between a to b, integrate between a to b and y in terms of dx. Okay, so that's the formula. So let's use the formula. Okay, and then solve this. So first integrate x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, when I expand this, we get x cube minus 3x square plus 2x in terms of x. Okay, in terms of x, and the limit is, okay, before that I'm going to split this as a, okay, and this as b. So I'm going to do part a first. Okay, part a. So that would be, limit is between 0 to 1. Okay, between 0 to 1. So let's solve this. So when I integrate, so I'll get x to the power of 4 over 4 minus 3x cube over 3 plus 2x square over 2, and the limit is between 0 to 1. Okay, now let's sub our values. So what I have, 1 x to the power of 4, so it's just 1 over 4 minus 3 over 3, which is gone, so that leaves us with just 1. Okay, and then 2 over 2, it's gone. Okay, gives us just 1, so x square, so you sub another 1 there, so you get plus 1. Okay, so we can see that this will give us quarter minus 1 plus 1 is just a quarter, or 1 over 4. Now next part, okay, the limit is different, it's between 1 to 2, and when I expand, it's x cubed minus 3 plus. The question requires us find the area enclosed between the curve y equals to x minus 1, x plus minus 2 and the x-axis. Okay, we can see clearly that there is area. Okay, there are some areas a and b. Okay, does that make sense? Certainly no, because we can see certainly very clearly that there are area, okay, involved. Okay, it's so vivid. Okay, but that is not possible. So what does negative means? Okay, basically negative means it's in the region below the x-axis. Okay, below the x-axis. Whenever you get an area below the x-axis, it's normally negative. So negative just indicates that it is below the x-axis, not above the x-axis. So part B. Okay, so we find what is the area for part B. Okay, for part B, the limit is different. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 to 2 square, x cubed minus 3x square, 2x plus 2x, and integrate in terms of x. So again, x to the power of 4 over 4 and minus x cube over 3. Okay, 3x cube over 3, and then we have plus 2x square over 2, and this time the limit is 1 to 2. Okay, 1 to 2. So let's solve this. So what we have 2 to the power of 4, which is 16 over 4, 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, minus 8, 3 over 3 is gone, is just 1, and then 2 to the power of 2, which is positive 4. Okay, and then minus 1 over 4, and then minus 1, and then plus 1. So what does that give us? So 4 minus 8 plus 8, Okay, and then minus, that's 1 over 4. So final answer, so that leaves us with 0, 0 minus 1 over 4. Your answer is 1 over 4. Okay, now the question require us, so if I add part A, which we got as positive 1 over 4, add this with part B, the area for part B, which we got negative 1 over 4, our answer is 0. Okay, our answer is 0. If we add this, it gives me negative 1 over 4 and then plus 1 over 4, which gives me 0. So you can do here is change this. Okay, I'm going to continue here. Change it, positive 1 over 4 plus, instead of negative 1 over 4, you change it to positive 1 over 4, and our answer will be 2 over 4, which is same as 1 over 2 unit square. Okay.